Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your games privated on your Steam profile using your Steam Deck. So maybe you got some Playtime achievements or something on there that you don't want your friend seeing. Well, you can completely make this private. So let's go up to the top and select A on our little profile picture. So just press up with the left thumbstick. Then under here, let's go to privacy settings, profile, games, inventory, etc. Then you can read under here for my profile. You can make this public, private, friends only, and that'll switch everything else under here. But we want to go to where it says game detail. This category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, games you wish list, your achievements, and your playtime. This setting also controls whether you're seen as in-game and the title of your game you are playing on your account. So a lot of information is just being shared with this set to public. So we want to go to friends only or private. So if you make it private, your friends aren't going to be able to see what you're playing at all. So just go ahead and do that and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.